Hello children, today let us see in the lesson 4 multiplication self-practice 4b. This self-practice 4b, this exercise is based on multiplication by a two-digit number. So in the first exercise 4a we saw how to multiply by a single digit number. Hello children, today let us see self-practice 4b. Self-practice 4b, it is based on multiplication by a two-digit number. Multiplication by a two-digit number. So children, see self-practice 4b, first question. Copy and multiply. In the first question it is given Hello children, today let us see self-practice 4b. Self-practice 4b, this is based on multiplication by a two-digit number. Multiplication by a two-digit number. Self-practice 4b, first question A. Look at the first question A. It is given 1943 multiplied by 6. So children, you know how to multiply by a one-digit number. So to multiply this number, you must know the 6 table. So all of you know the 6 table. Take the 6 and multiply. 6 multiply 3, 6 3s are 18. Okay, then 1 is there. Okay, then afterwards 6 4s are 6 4s 24, 24 plus 1, 25, then 1 carry, then afterward 6, 9. 6 9s are 54. 6 9s are 54, so 4 and 5 carries. Then after 6 1, 6 1 6, 6 plus 5, 6 plus 5, 11. The answer is 11,458. This is the answer. So second question, multiply by 4. You know you can multiply by 4, then next 6 like that given. So let me do one more question. That is E question. Look at the E question. It is given 877 multiplied by 25. Multiply by 25. So children, here is two-digit number coming. Two-digit. So for two-digit number coming, first you know this is with 5. You will multiply this number, and again you will take the 2 and multiply this 2 number. So we must know this 2 table, 5 table and 2 table to multiply this. First let us take 5 and multiply. 5 multiply 7, 5 7, 35. Yes, 35. And here is 3. Next 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 3, 38. Then the next 5 8, 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 3, 43. Next take 2 and multiply. You know when you take 2, you will not write in the first digit any number. 2 you are writing 2 multiply 7, 14. Yes, 2 7. 2 multiply 7, 14, you write 4 here, write 4 here. When you take 2 in the 10th place, write the answer also in the 10th place. Okay, 2 multiply 7, 14, 2 7 14, 1 carries. Then 2 7 14 plus 1 15, 1 carries. Then 2 multiply 8, 2 8s are 16 plus 1, 17. Now plus this number 5, here is 8 plus 2, 4, 12 and 1 carries, here is 9, here is 4 plus 7, 11, 1 carries, so answer is 21,925. Hello children, now let us see the problem solving. Question 2. Solve the following. Question 2 is given. A total of 2,718 students studying in a school contributed rupees 75 each for the flood relief fund. Find the total amount collected. So that means there are total students, okay? There are total students 2,718. So one student contributing. Yes, each student contributes. Each student giving how much? Rupees 75. Yes, these two numbers multiply, will get the answer. So we know it how to multiply. So 5 table and 7 table. Take 5 and multiply. 5 8 40. 5 1 5. 5 7 35. 5 7 35. 5 2. 5 to 10 13. Next take 7 and multiply. 7 8. 56, 717, 7 50, and 5, 7 2, 14, 14 plus 5, 19. So answer is 0, 5, 8, 3. So this is 2,03,850. So total amount is collected is 2,03,850. And third question, each day 150 airplanes depart from an airport. How many planes depart in a year? So children, you know, in 1 year we have 365 days. So multiply 150 into 365. That is the answer. So in one day, okay? In one day, how many planes departing? That is 150. Multiply these two numbers. So multiply this 5 5 25, 2 5 6 30, 5 3 15, 15 plus 3 18. Next take this 1 and multiply 1 5 5, 1 6 6, 1 3 3. Okay, again with 1 here multiplying 5 6 3 plus this 5 7 8 plus 6 14 19 5 11 4. That is answer is 41,975 planes departing in 1 year. So 41,775 is the answer. Question 4. There are 275 balloons in a pack. How many balloons are there in 2 dozen such packs? In 2 dozen such packs. So 1 dozen means 1 dozen is 12 numbers. 2 dozen is 24. Multiply question 4. There are 275 in one pack, okay? One pack. How many balloons? 275 balloons, and in 24 packs. Okay, 2 doesn't mean 24. Balloons in one pack 275 and balloons in 24 pack. That is multiply multiply 2 5 10, then 2 2 7 14 plus 1 15, then 2 2 4 plus 1 5, 0 0 6 6. Answer is 6600 is the answer. So this is the total balloons. Question 5, we can multiply, okay, 1125 with that multiply, okay, multiply with 6 weeks, okay, multiply 6 weeks, how many days? 6 weeks, 42 days. So multiply with 42. And question 6 also multiply. Question 7, okay, this is the in 1 year given, okay, 1 month 820 you have to pay, and 1 year. So in 1 year we have 12 months, so multiply with 12. So children, 5 6 7 you can do it by yourself. See you in the next class, children. Thank you.